and found this. Apparently a deer tried to jump the fence. I think it might still be alive. Yeah, it's moving. So, Melly, house. Go to the house. I'm gonna try to without getting hurt. Shit. I'm gonna go around on the other side of the fence. House, Melly. I was wondering why my sheep weren't wanting their hay. Okay, so it must be all tuckered out. Hey, saddle, 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 saddle. Oh, it's right through its leg a little bit. Or no. How is it? Okay, I see. Oh, that is really bad. I'm gonna have to get the saw. I gotta get the saw. Where do I cut? That one. This one. I just gotta start cutting. Boy, that does cut fast. It's my new blade. Can I get him? No, because he's gotta come back. Shit. I gotta do this one. Maybe now. Okay. Oh, look at how that's right into the bone. I don't know if he's gonna make it. He's been down that way. Well, let's see. He's not much bigger than a sheep. I might be able to handle him. I might just have to put him down if he's too bad. Come here. Come on. There you go. Up. Come on. Come on. You're okay. You're okay. Come here. Just lay there for a little bit. Just lay. Just lay down. This is a young deer, I think. You feeling better? You're okay.